How to get someone's IPs on Discord? So, getting someone's IP address is quite easy on Discord. For that, you can open Discord on your PC or mobile device. For that, go to any preferred browser and then on the Web bar search for discord.com. Press enter on your keyboard and then the official interface of Discord will open where you have to click on Open Discord at the top right corner of the screen. Then make sure to log in on your Discord account. Once you have been logged in to your Discord account, you will get access to this page where you have to click on this user settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're on this page, under user settings, you need to scroll all the way down until and unless you don't find the option of advanced. So under the app setting, you will get the option of advanced where you have to click on it and make sure to toggle on the button of developer mode. Once done, click on this escape icon at the top right corner of the screen and then under direct messages, you can easily find someone you'd like to get the IP address of. So you need to simply right click and then on this menu box you need to click on copy user ID and the user ID will be easily copied. You can easily paste anywhere you'd like to. So this is the someone's IP address of Discord. In this way, you can easily get someone's IP on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it for more tutorial updates.